What in the fishing rod is this? My sister lost her office phone and as a penalty she had to give them an old phone back. Some office, right? Anyway, I had heard of this new company Too Good which solely sells used products. An initiative by Flipkart when it bought eBay and dumped it. eBay was anyway dead when it started asking for GST numbers from casual sellers like me who used to sell maybe one stuff on it every 1 year. So I landed upon this phone which looked decent enough for the price. No, actually it was the cheapest one. Hey. Here you see a box, which is a box, and I opened it in the worst possible way imaginable to the human mind. Oh wow, it says there's a wireless device inside of it. But I did see a wire inside of it which actually attaches to a device. So I caught their first lie. The phone was wrapped with a thin plastic sheet, giving an impression of it being neat and clean. A warranty card assuring me that I have total peace of mind with the device for 6 months. And I truly hope they are right about it. Even if there comes a time when I need to use their warranty services. Accessories are obviously not covered in the warranty. And if I cook the phone on a stove, then forget about it. Their email on the back and an assurance to not panic if the phone heats up. And to charge the phone properly for the first 2 years, hours. Oh look, an ERD charger, which is brand new. I really despite their chargers in the past. But this one actually looked promising. The build was way better than the previous ERD chargers I've used. And it also has a 2 ampere charging output. Really nice of them that they are giving you a new 2 amp charger with a new USB wire with this deal, which otherwise would cost Rs 325. Nice. Unwrapping the phone felt so good. I hope the geeks out there would get the reference. But everyone would understand why it is necessary to hit the subscribe button if you would want to support a young YouTuber like me. The word young. Good to know I can still use it somewhere. The backside of the phone looked pretty fine. No major dent or scratches on it. The sides had little discoloration spots. The keys were a little scratched. The charging point looked fine. The front grille had some scratches. But the phone should switch on, right? But it did. Oh man, this is actually not a bad phone in 3,700 rupees. Both the cameras worked. The flash on the rear camera worked. The sound from the speakers was fine. It was actually louder than I expected. The browser worked fine. Even the Google Maps on the browser worked fine. So I was pretty impressed with the deal I got. The charger worked and the phone charged well enough. There were no issues while I was charging the phone. So the phone worked for 1 week and it still kept working. So if you like buying used products, then I think alternatives like Too Good and even Amazon Renewed could get you some good deals. We can't be really sure if these phones were repaired well and if they actually went through proper quality checks later on. But what gives us total assurance is that in any case you are covered up for 6 months. 6 months isn't a bad time if you consider getting a phone which has negligible scratches and can be bought at a stellar deal. I consider anything which has a 30 to 40% less price than the current selling price a good deal, and especially when it comes with a 6 months warranty. Let me know in comments if you have had any good or bad experience with Too Good or Amazon Renewed or any other refurbished sites you might have used in the past. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. It motivates the hell out of me. That's all for today. Mewbot out.